Hey, it's Hannah Taylor, and this is my overview for Enhancement 9. So I'm here at the image management page, and I'll just go ahead and um, upload an image from my computer. And when I click upload, I get the upload succeeded message. And when you scroll down, here is the image that I uploaded. And I'm just going to validate CSS, and it is valid, and then validate HTML to show that it's valid, and then I'm just going to go to where the anvil is and right click on this to inspect it so that you know that it's sized correctly or not. Hold on. Okay, and it's 200 by 200. The actual image itself, if I go to open it in a new tab, it shows that it's 200 by 144, so no larger than 200. And when I select it, the image itself is not taller than 500. And then also my new thumbnail shows up there. And then just to kind of show for this TNT, that image is usually quite large, but when I view the image in a new tab, it's not larger than 500, so that fits the specifications. And then I'll bring up the table here, hit refresh, and my new image is right here with the full size and then the thumbnail size. And then it's also here in my actual images products folder that I've saved. And if I go to delete it, let me just go back to that image management. I can come here, delete, and it was successfully deleted. In my table, you'll see when I refresh, now I only have one of the miso, my cat, images. So that should be all. Thank you for watching.